this session we will discuss some of the basic properties on permutation matrix. So let's start with the some of the properties. So first property is, if A and B are permutation matrices corresponding to two permutations sigma and tau belongs to Sn. So A is permutation matrix with respect to sigma and B is permutation matrix with respect to tau, then this implies A into B is also permutation matrix with respect to A into B is also permutation matrix with respect to sigma composition with tau. Similarly, second property is, if A is a permutation matrix with respect to sigma, then this implies A to the power R is also permutation matrix with respect to sigma to the power R. So where sigma to the power R is a composition of sigma R time. And third property is, if A is a permutation matrix with respect to sigma and order of sigma in Sn is R, then this always implies A to the power R must be identity matrix and A to the power K is never identity for every 0 less than or equal to K less than or strictly less than R. That is, the least natural power of A which produce identity is the order of sigma. So this is the third one property of permutation matrix. And fourth property is, determinant of A is always signature of sigma, where again A is a permutation matrix corresponding to sigma, and signature is defined as, it is 1 when sigma is even permutation and -1 if sigma is odd permutation. So this is the fourth one property. If you want to find determinant of any permutation matrix, it is nothing, it is only signature of the permutation matrix, and signature is either 1 and -1, which is always non-zero. That is, every permutation matrix is non-singular matrix. So every permutation matrix is always non-singular matrix. That is, rank of matrix is always order of matrix. Say A is n cross n permutation matrix, then rank of A is always n and nullity of A is always 0. So this is the next property of permutation matrix. Further, every permutation matrix is a orthogonal matrix. That is, if A is permutation matrix, that is, A is permutation matrix, then A into A transpose is always identity matrix, and also A transpose is permutation matrix with respect to sigma inverse, where sigma inverse is also sigma inverse is simply inverse of the permutation corresponding to this A is a permutation matrix. And another property of permutation matrix is, if you want to find the trace of permutation matrix is always number of fixed point in sigma. So this is next property. The trace is number of fixed point, where fixed point is nothing, number of self imaged element in a sigma. And next property is, if G be the set of all A matrices such that A is n cross n matrix and A is permutation matrix, that is G is the collection of all n cross n permutation matrices, then G is always a group under matrix multiplication. So this is next property. Set of all permutation matrices of order n is always grouped under a matrix multiplication, and this group is always isomorphic to a group of permutation on n symbol, where Sn is a group of permutation on n symbol. That is the number of permutation matrices of order n are always n factorial. So this is next one property. If you want count the number of permutation matrix of order n, then it is always n factorial. So these are the main properties of permutation matrix. Further, there is another definition of a permutation matrix is, if A is any n cross n matrix with entries say Aij such that Aij belongs to 0 and 1, that is each entry is either 0 or 1, and summation I varying from 1 to n A of Ij is equal to 1 for all j, that is sum of entries of each row is 1. Similarly, sum of each entries of each column is 1. Similarly, for all j varying from 1 to n, Aij is equal to 1 for all I, that is each column sum is 1, each row sum is 1, and entries are from 0 1, then A is always a permutation matrix. That is any matrix whose entries are either 0 or 1, and each row sum is 1, each column sum is 1, then this matrix always represent a permutation matrix. And conversely, that is in every permutation matrix, every row sum is 1, every column sum is 1, and entries are belonging to 0 and 1. So let's consider one of the example on all these properties. So we will start with this some basic example. So let's sigma is a permutation 1, 2 or 1, 3, 5, 2, 6 and 4 belonging to a permutation group S6 on 6 symbol. So take any random permutation. Then corresponding to this permutation, the permutation matrix A is C of sigma 1, C of sigma 2, C of sigma 3, C of sigma 4, C of sigma 5 and C of sigma 6, which is same as A is equal to sigma 1 is 3, that is C3, sigma 2 is 6, that is C6, sigma 3 is 5, that is C5, sigma 4 is 4, that is self-imaged, sigma 5 is 1, that is C1, sigma 6 is 2, that is C2. So we are permuting the column of identity matrix. Each CI represents the column of 6 cross 6 identity matrix. So A is third column of identity matrix, which is 0 0 1 0 0 0. Sixth column of identity matrix, which is 0 0 0 0 0 1. Then fifth column of identity matrix, which is 0 0 0 0 1 and 0. Then fourth column of identity matrix, which is 0 0 0 1 0 0. And first column of identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 0 0 0. Then second column of identity matrix, 0 1 0 0 0 0. You can check each row sum is 1, each column sum is 1 and entries are 0 1. Now first order of sigma is product of 3 disjoint cycle. One is of length 3, another is of length 2, another is of length 1. And we know that the order of permutation is LCM of length of disjoint cycle. So order of sigma is 6. So this implies a to the power 6 must be identity and a to the power r is never identity for every r which lying between 0 to 6, that is r is greater than or equal to 0 and strictly less than 6. So this is the first property of permutation matrix. Another property, if you want to find determinant of A, so determinant of A is simply signature of sigma. Signature of sigma is 1 if sigma is even permutation and signature of sigma is -1 if sigma is odd permutation. You can easily check this sigma is an odd permutation, so determinant is always -1. Also you can check that trace of A is simply number of self-imaged element in sigma. So there is one self-imaged element in sigma, so trace is 1. So there is one entry on diagonal which is 1, so trace is 1. So this is the some of the properties on permutation matrix.